Welcome to Nature Channel. We are thrilled to have you with us today. If you're passionate about the wonders of our planet and eager to learn more, you're in the right place. In today's episode of our exciting series, History of the Earth, we will dive into another fascinating chapter of our planet's past. Get ready for an incredible journey back in time to discover the amazing events that have shaped the Earth as we know it. Today, we embark on an enchanting journey through time to explore the breathtaking beauty of our planet millions of years after the extinction of the dinosaurs. As the ancient giants vanished, Earth began to heal and flourish with unparalleled splendor. Picture lush forests and crystal-clear rivers reflecting the golden sunlight, vibrant birds singing among the trees, and blooming flowers adorning vast fields. Wildlife thrived anew. Small mammals roamed the verdant lands, birds soared freely in the azure skies, and fish swam in pristine waters. It's a world teeming with biodiversity, showcasing nature's remarkable ability to rejuvenate and thrive. Let us marvel at this natural beauty and remember the importance of preserving our planet for future generations. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Share your thoughts in the comments and stay tuned for more captivating discoveries on Nature Channel. Don't forget to subscribe to Nature Channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss an episode. Stay tuned for more amazing content as we continue to explore the incredible history of our planet.